students, my name is Purnima Gupta and I am working as assistant professor at IMS Ghaziabad University Courses campus. And in this video lecture, I am going to tell you about comprehension in Python. We will discuss how many types of comprehension in Python and how it will work and how it will create our work easy. So let's start. Comprehension in Python provide a concise and efficient way to create new sequences from existing ones. They enhance code readability and reduce the need for lengthy loops. This we can simply say that it will provide you the output as you desire using a less of codes. Python supports 4 types of comprehension. Here we can see list comprehension, dictionary comprehensions, set comprehensions and generator comprehensions. So let's see what is the meaning of comprehension, and in this video I am particularly going to discuss about list comprehension. As you can see here there are 4 types of comprehension, but here I am going to tell you about list comprehension. List comprehension are used for creating a new list. Yes, of course, it is going to create a new list from other existing list. This is the list that are existing, and we are going to create using that list a new list from using other existing lists. As list comprehensions return list, it also return list. They consist of brackets containing the expression which is executed for each element along with a for loop to iterate over each element. Here you can see the basic syntax. What is written here? Here is written output list, means what list you want. Means the desired list is equal to output expression, means what you want to calculate in your desired output. And then for where in input list, if where satisfy this condition, means if condition will be satisfied, then the output expression will be work on that variable. Clear? Okay, let's understand with example. Here an example is here. Create a list to store 5 different numbers such as 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And using for loop, add number 10 in each elements of existing list. Means we want to create a list that will have 10 number added it. Means 10 number will be added and in the existing list. So how will you do this? I am going to tell you about using list and using comprehensive list, and you will decide which one is easy. Obviously comprehensive list will be easy. So let's see. Example is that I have a list, I have a existing list, and you want to create a new list using existing list. So here using list, first we discuss using list, how it will work and how it will give you a desired output. Okay, here list is list 1. I have created here a list that have value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, now using list, how will you code it? You have to write for I in range. This is the syntax, and then in bracket 0, then length list 1. That means we are going to add number 10 from first value to till last value. Okay, len is used for length obviously, and after using a for loop, obviously we have to use colon and then enter, and then you will write a new line that have list 1 I is equal to list 1 I plus 10. That means you have to write these all things for getting a desired output, and then you will have to write print list 1. So this is an example of using list. How will you get your desired output? Now let's see how will you have to write a program using list comprehensive. Obviously it is going to use, when you will use it, you will get that it is creating your work easy. Okay, then using list comprehensive, list 1. List 1 is an existing list. That value is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we are going to create a desired list. That what will have? That will have 10 increment number, 10 increase number in each value. So using list comprehensive, you have to write only a variable name that is equal to x plus 10 for x in list 1. X plus 10, that means you have to apply that rules that want to add it, or you want to subtract, or you want to multiply, or whatever you want to apply on the existing list, you have to write here. Then you have to write for, that is a keyword, for x in list 1. List 1 is a variable name, that is existing list, and simple. That's all. You have to write only this line and then print list 1, and you will get your desired output. What do you want to? You want to get 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Because we have existing list, that value was 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? So using this simple line, using this simple code, you can get your desired output. Here, how does it work? Explain in brief. List comprehensive. List 1, x plus 10. X plus 10. Why I have to write here x plus 10? An output variable. What do you want to write in your variable? What do you want to see in your variable? You have to write here. Then write for x in. For x, what is for x? For x in means a variable referring an input sequence, that it is going to tell that this is an input sequence. On that you have to apply that rules. And after that, last is list 1. List 1 is what? List 1 is your existing list. That means you can say an input sequence. So this is a list comprehensive concept. There are other comprehensive also, but in this video I have told you about list comprehensive. Thank you so much.